Okay everyone, today we're going to show you this code programming game series On the Brink and how to play it. It's a very fun actually.
Yeah, and
great
if you
program.
play this will become real.
Yeah, Neil thinks it's going to become real. But the thing is, let's try this. So the game comes with a couple of cards here, and this is the control panel. And also three color coded control panels. There is the red one, blue, and the orange one. So you have to place these cards in the control panel, and the robot will do as instructed. And each control panel, each color is a procedure. So once you have told that and each procedure can only be made out of 2 steps. So once you've once you've programmed it that the red one is, for example, just move forward and turn left, then that's really what every time the robot lands on a red, it will do that. And every time it lands on a green or a blue one, it will look at the control panel and see whatever the steps are, and it repeats that. Now Neil's gonna show you how to start this, right, Neil?
Yeah.
So we're gonna do the first the first challenge. We've done almost all of these challenges, but we're gonna start with the very first one. There are plenty of challenges in this book, as you can see, and I think there are about 40 challenges. So we're gonna start with the challenge number 1. So you need the book to start, and now this is a very simple challenge. So first and always start your robot facing the direction of the start symbol. So in this we're gonna start our robot here. So what is gonna happen is the robot is gonna look at the blue panel.
One time, two times, the white is bad.
Exactly, because white would mean nothing. So in the blue one, where's the move forward? So Neil's procedure when the robot is on the blue, what do you want him to do? Move forward 2 steps, and that would put him at this red one, right, Neil?
Yeah.
And what is your thing at the red one? What do you want him to do at the red one? Do you want him to move forward 1 step or 2 step? You can go up to 2 steps, 2 instructions. So in the red, we can just have him do move 1, right? Because every time he's on the red, he'll look again at the control panel, right? And it's going to be like, okay, what do we do when we're on a red? We move forward 1 step. And then again, this is the last red. It's going to say, what do I do when I'm on a red? And it's going to do whatever procedure you have coded up here. So very simple coding challenge. Yep, good. And you have made it. Done. Now let's try challenge number 2. Okay, Neil. And in this, yeah, challenge 2, Neil has done this before too. So this is the challenge 2. How? And here it tells you how many cards you need. So how many move forward cards do we need, Neil?
3.
2 move forward cards. Okay. And how many turn left cards we need? 1 turn left. So let's put our cards together first. So we're gonna pick these 2 move forward cards and 1 turn left card. That's it. Okay, now we're gonna do this just using these 3 cards. You should be able to place them on the control panel, and when the robot looks at the control panel, based on what's instructed here, he should be able to do whatever you have told him to do, right? Okay, so let's start. So what do you really want him to do when he is red? As you can see, he's going to be facing which side? And the way to start this game is to starting the face of the where the arrow is pointed to, right? So what's he gonna do now? He's gonna he's pushing. So what's the first thing you do? You think you can just tell him to move forward? No, right? It's clear that his first instruction should be to turn left. So where should I put the turn left? That is a instruction for which panel? For the red panel or the blue panel? For the red panel, right? So we're going to put it in the red here. And then, so what's the instruction? Turn. And should we say move forward also or no?
No.
Maybe. Let's try if we instructed him to move forward. And in the blue, we can say move forward 1 step. Okay, because we were supposed to do this using just these many cards. So blue, he will move forward. Blue, he will move forward. Blue, he will move forward again. And what did we tell him to do when he reaches a red? Turn left, move forward. What did we tell him in the blue panel to do?
Go forward.
Go forward. and go forward again. And what did we tell him to do when he was in the red?
Turn.
Turn and
Go straight.
go forward one step, right? Blue is again, what was the step on the blue panel?
Forward.
Move forward. And blue is move forward and move forward. And that's how he would have finished the
done.
race and done. So our coding was
Can't
correct here.
forget to say done.
Yeah, we can't forget. So our coding was correct actually, right? I mean, we had to strategize it. We could have said,
And if we play this a lot of times, the boy will become real.
yeah, you're gonna get your Lego Mindstorms, right? Yeah, another set you'll get if you keep playing. But if you don't play, so this
We
real
get
robot
another
will
set
become
and then
real.
I have many.
Yep,
It even come with this track.
yep, yep. Tracks, springs, spring legs or
Yeah.
track legs, right?
Yeah.
Yep.
And then we will move it. Do everything and we'll
Yeah,
move it.
that's cool. Okay, that's it for our coding adventure today. And don't forget to buy this from our link below. This is the game again. Code programming series on the brink.